Hello foodies! Welcome to Svedanika the kitchen. Today's recipe is Andhra special Gongura Mutton Curry. Mutton curry prepared with sour gongura is a heavenly combination that is liked by most of the people in Andhra region. Earlier, we have shown you how to prepare Gongura Mutton Pulao with Parda Pulao technique. If you have missed the video, please check the link below in the description box. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. Wash mutton pieces under running water until the water comes clear. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoon cooking oil. Mix everything until all mutton pieces are coated well with spices. Now add 1 cup water and mix again. Now pressure cook these mutton pieces until 5 whistles. If you are using instant pot, pressure cook for 15 minutes on high pressure. Look, all the mutton pieces are cooked. We have mutton stock and cooked meat ready. Let's keep this aside and start next procedure. To make this curry, we need cooking oil, chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, slit green chilies, 2 cups finely chopped onion, 1 cup finely chopped tomato, and sorrel leaves or gongura. Wash gongura leaves and dry them. If the leaves are wet, the mix will turn sticky. To avoid this stickiness, we wash and dry it beforehand. Now, in a pan or skillet, add 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Add 3 large garlic cloves. If you have small ones, add 6 to 8. Add 6 cups gongura leaves in the oil. This 6 cups of gongura gives you around 1 cup gongura paste. Saute so that leaves start cooking. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute until all leaves are soft. Gongura is called as sorrel leaves in English, khatti bhaji or ambadi ki bhaji in Hindi, pulicha keerai in Tamil. Now add 3 dry red chilies and 3 green chilies. Adjust chilies according to your spice level and tanginess in gongura. Saute until gongura leaves are cooked. Now transfer this mix into a blending jar and blend it into a coarse paste as shown here. This doesn't take much time. Keep this mix aside. In a heavy bottom pan, add 5 tablespoons cooking oil. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, split green chilies and finely chopped onion. Saute until onion is mixed in the oil. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Saute until onions are soft and transparent. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute until raw smell is gone and ginger garlic is cooked. Now add finely chopped tomato and saute until tomato is cooked. Now add 2 tablespoons chili powder. Saute until raw smell in chili powder is gone and chili powder is mixed well with gravy base. Now add 3 teaspoons garam masala powder. Saute until masala is cooked in the gravy base. Once the gravy starts leaving oil, add mutton stock from the cooked meat. Mix well until gravy base is diluted. Now add cooked gongura paste. Mix well until gongura blends in the gravy. Look at the color of the gravy. It looks perfect. Add 1 spring curry leaves and mix well. Now it's time to add cooked meat. Mix well until all pieces are covered in the gravy. Let the pieces cook in the gravy and absorb gongura flavor. Close the lid and let it cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Now open the lid. Look at the color and texture of the curry. It looks so delicious. Enjoy this tangy, spicy Gongura mutton with hot steamed rice or roti. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do try this Gongura mutton curry recipe and let us know your feedback in the comment section. Please share this video with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.